My Frigidaire refrigerator suddenly stopped working. The meat inside the freezer is completely thawed. This is the second time this has happened. When it happened exactly the same way with a previous Frigidaire refrigerator, we replaced it and this is a brand new refrigerator. The same thing has happened again. Do you know what might be wrong?
Can you guesstimate how old your Frigidaire is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It's brand new.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Sure.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The model number is.
One moment while I get some information for you. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Is this unit in a cold garage and how new is it?
It was bought about 3 weeks ago. It's in my apartment. I have been using it for 3 weeks and this happens. The same thing happened with my previous refrigerator.
Okay, is the power out to the unit? I would suspect a power issue at the outlet if it happened to 2 different units now. Is the outlet good to the unit?
The outlet is working. I can hear the fridge running. When I check the freezer now, about 1 hour after I discovered the meat has thawed, it seems to be running fine, air blowing, etc. It looks like for some reason it has auto-shut itself off during the whole day. But I am not sure why.
Is that outlet on its own circuit?
Nothing else is connected to the outlet.
Well, there could be a defrost issue. Was your last unit the same type? Also, would there be any reason power could be cut to that outlet during the day from the power company for some eco-savings or something?
The last unit was the same type. I don't think the power company is shutting the power, but I can check.
I would check or plug in a clock to the same outlet, and if it shuts off you will see the clock needs to be reset. I think the power is getting shut off. If not, post back to me and we can go from there. My goal is to give you the best experience possible. If you need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know.
I see. Okay, I will look into this. Thanks for the tip.
No problem at all.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.